This realization that this new science of information feedback systems, which he called cybernetics, could have enormous ethical and social implications, motivated Norbert Wiener to highlight those anticipated challenges in his lectures and writings. In his book, Cybernetics or Control and Communication in the Animal and the Machine, 1948, Norbert Wiener wrote that if the first industrial revolution, the revolution of dark satanic mills, was the devaluation of human arm by the competition of the machinery, the modern industrial revolution, such as the computer revolution, is similarly bound to devalue the human brain. And the solution, in his views, is to have a society based on human values other than buying and selling. And he also wrote that to arrive at this society, we need a good deal of planning and a good deal of struggle. A few decades later, in a different time zone, in a different part of the world, a more upgraded and relevant discussion on the question of the use of computer technology and its impact on social, psychological, and behavioral related aspects started. In its All India conference, the Bhartiya Mazdoor Sangh, a trade union of India, decided to observe the year 1984 as the anti-computerization year. While addressing the volunteers on the subject computerization, the great thinker and the founder of BMS, Shri Dattopant Bapurao Thengadi, initiated a constructive dialogue on the healthier use of computer technology, which could have contributed to correct the trajectory of global technology efforts long before the public use of internet and AI. But unfortunately, instead, it was misrepresented, condemned, and suppressed before culminating into a global discourse, not just by the foreign, but the domestic narration industry too. Today, when AI has placed the human and the future of human worker at the center of the global debate again, it is important to recall some of the key observations and arguments which Sri Dattopant Thengadi shared in his speech on computerization in 1984. As some of his views are now becoming more relevant in the global context.